really beautiful. Right? Deep. Just rest.
Where is the tobacco?
Wow, it's really beautiful. Tired. Need to rest a little bit. Yes, we are here, guys. You can see this Miss Lily and Mr. John. Can you please ride the boat, please? Yes, like this. And the Miss Ping is finally here. She's my driver. Please drive nicely, okay? Ping, right. Hey, suddenly you ride now? Yeah, Atsali and Kwedgar is here. Wow, this is really beautiful day. Wow. Yes. Pink, can you please ride nicely? Wow, this lady knows very well how to drive. Hatta, hayak, kayak. Wow. Pink, I make only for you video.
Hey.
Right. You can start number like after make the sound. Yes. My lady, how are you?
Drive well, Mr. Babu.
Very nice. Pull up. Yes, very nice. Ooh, very nice. Yeah. Wow. No. Yes. Very nice. Wow. Good, good. Accident.
Babu!
It's okay. Yes.
Hey, Mr. Babu, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you? This is my first time in my life. I'm riding the boat here. Wow. Woo! Right? Wow, it's a really beautiful day.
Look at this amazing view of that.
Make a little bit off again. Oh! Now raining stomach. Hello.
Okay, done?
Done now. Yeah, we are going to back home. See you next time. It's really beautiful day, and then we had a lot of fun here. Wow, it's really amazing. You can see about view here. Bye bye. See you.